Hi guys, so today I have a new product that I want to show you, so come with me and let's do the unboxing.
I received a rolling cart for hair salon. I love this. The quality is really good. If you are in the hairstylist world, this is perfect for you. I really like it. It came with everything that you need. You just have to install this according to the instructions, and it's really easy. The material of this product is really durable, so that's perfect. You are going to have this like for life. You can put here hair extensions also in that tray, so that's really amazing. It came with those bowls for the tint, the hair tint, and that's pretty good. It looks really good, and those bowls have magnets, so that's perfect. They are not going to move from the tray. That's really perfect. I love that. That's my favorite thing, because sometimes we have tray bowls that they are not anti-slip, so that's the worst thing. You can put everything here, the hair dryer, curl iron, every tools that you need, and it works pretty good. I love it. So if you are looking for something like this, go ahead and buy it. It's perfect.